Nationals, please, me a beg you, please, nationals. Me a beg you.
Erica came out to the Nationers and asked them to let Gracie know that she will be coming out for her strong. She comes for her. Watch as she shows different pictures of Gracie.
Don't come for me, cause we come out for you strong. Next time me a come a so tongue me a wear. Paper. Oh, no looking at Gracie head. Ask Gracie. You no go look at the live them, no come in and tell no lie. You no look there. You no look there. Pain knitting at Gracie head side. You no look good. Look there. You look like a sword and sword and then braid the pan this, you know. We are talking about in a Jamaica right now. Alright. See next body here we are compare with me. See the next body here. Me see a base on the, see the next body here we are compare to for me. Me know if I want that she have this so when look like some woman but look here. It look like a the lumpy family. And them a compare with me with the stretch out Brazil. That the troop top the stretch out. If you have manners when you not come for teacher, you know. Then girl you not got no manners when them a come for me good landlord. And me you really come for and this me. Me not show your face for my life. But Kuyo, you look on this. We say them a hot girl. Look here. And say them dress every day. You know if you go. Stop going, son, just because me a rebel. Me a just rebel. Me a just me. And nobody is gonna change me. You don't run out, go like you don't run out for me because you can't run out for me because you don't have no taste and no look and no shape or nothing at all. Don't run out for me. See Frog in a jacket suit, yeah? See Frog in a jacket suit. And them they for life are cause people with them big old thinking so foot. When you not come for that woman, you come for that woman, you're good. When me put myself together, me look real nice. I mean, I put on no makeup, no eyelash, no fingernail, nothing. Me just
run go subscribe now, like up the video, share it now,
understand?
And comment.
And to me like this, me I go play. Listen to this blood. So another woman here we are run me down.
Stop buying cocky. Well, look my free cocky. Stop investing cookies. Okay, girl? Me not buying on it. Me get them free. Cause I'm sexy. I'm nice.
So our next sexy girl here we are run competition with me. All of these girls supposed to go sit down